Want to delete or hide the recycle bin on Windows 11? You are in the right place. We have got some simple and effective methods to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we will walk you through the best possible ways to hide or remove the recycle bin from your Windows desktop. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove recycle bin via Windows settings. Hiding recycle bin via Windows settings is the simplest and most friendly way to do. Here is how to do so. Press Win+I to open the settings menu, then select Personalization. Alternatively, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. In the Personalization settings, navigate to Themes section on the left panel. Click on the desktop icon settings under the Related Settings section. Uncheck the Recycle Bin option, then click Apply and OK to confirm the changes. This method should instantly remove the Recycle Bin icon from your desktop. Method 2. Remove recycle bin via Local Group Policy Editor. Another way to remove the recycle bin is through the Local Group Policy Editor, which is useful for users managing multiple devices or working in an organization. Follow these steps. Open Run command box, type gpedit.msc and press OK to open the Local Group Policy Editor. Navigate to this path. You will get the path in the description below. Find the option Hide and Disable All Items on the desktop from the right pane. Double-click on the option and set it to Enabled. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your computer for the settings to take effect. Once enabled, the recycle bin icon will be removed from the desktop, File Explorer and other related locations. If you wish to restore it later, select Disabled or Not Configured in the same settings window. Method 3. Remove recycle bin via Windows Registry. For advanced users, editing the Windows Registry provides an alternate method to hide the recycle bin icon. However, before proceeding, it's recommended to back up your registry to prevent system issues. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press OK to launch the Windows Registry editor. Click on Yes from the USE prompt. Navigate to this location. The location is provided in the description below. Locate this registry key. Delete this key, then close the registry editor, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, the recycle bin icon will no longer appear on the desktop. How to restore the recycle bin icon? If you want to bring back the recycle bin icon, follow these quick steps. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Personalize. In the Personalization menu, go to the Themes section. Click Desktop icon settings under Related Settings. Check the box next to Recycle Bin and click Apply and OK. Your recycle bin icon will now be restored to the desktop. By following any of these methods, you can easily customize your desktop appearance and manage the visibility of the recycle bin icon according to our preference. And that's it. That was how to delete or hide recycle bin on Windows 11. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below to share which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.